Hi everyone, it's Lorie and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. So today is March the 21st and it is my day for the hashtag Enchanted Fairy collab. And this is a month-long collaboration for the whole month of March that is hosted by Jovi over at Creating with Jovi. And a lot of us are using her Celtic Fantasy kit. And that, of course, is what I am using today. And what I have made is a tri-fold ephemera holder from her kit. So this is her. Absolutely love this kit. So I just have some trim here that was in my stash. Some trim up here at the top. I just used a file folder, and I did distress around the edges with the Tim Holtz Distress ink in the broken china. I have some green sari silk here for the closure. I did punch holes and put in an eyelet. This right here I actually made into a pocket. So this just comes undone. And so we have two journaling cards from the kit here. And they just go in that little pocket on the front. Look at this kit. How beautiful is that fairy? I saw it and absolutely fell in love with this kit. So we open it up this way. And I do have some more trim down the edge here. And this is one of Jovi's. I just used pages from her kit to actually cover the file folder. So you open it up, and this is what we have. So I do have a little tuck spot right here. This is some little ephemera pieces from the kit, butterflies, and I printed that on vellum. And that is just a side tuck there. And then in this pocket, we have two journaling cards from the kit. And then in my design team project for Jovi, we actually made the three tall tags together. So that goes in this pocket here. So there's two pockets here on each one. And again, that is part of her beautiful kit there. And then this, I just glued it all the way down. This is some cardstock that I embossed. I thought that color went good with it. This is a small card from the kit. And again, just made a tuck. And we have two small journaling cards from the kit that just tucks in behind there. And then in the first pocket, we have a couple of more journaling cards. And then in the back pocket, we have, again, that big journaling card, our tag, rather, that we made together. Made a little tuck spot there. And this is just a lot of the cards printed on vellum in that pocket there. Some trim up here, and then just some sari silk there, just to hide those staples. Again, another beautiful image from the kit. And then over here in the front pocket, we have two more journaling cards from the kit. And then the last of the oversized tags that we made. And this has some bling from my stash there. This actually is just some blue glittery mesh that comes up, and then some blue embossed paper that I embossed in another one of the journaling cards from the kit. And then these, again, are all images from the kit. So that, guys, is my project for the hashtag Enchanted Fairy collage. And again, there are 26 different collaborators. You can just search the hashtag Enchanted Fairy collage, and you could come up. It'll actually show everyone's video should come up. Bunch of amazing ladies in with this collaboration. I mean, there's going to be lots of great ideas. Some new, some old, some you never know. But yeah, lots and lots of inspiration, and I have been myself watching everyone's videos and have found lots of inspiration myself so far. So, yeah, please go over and check out the 26 collaborators. These ladies are amazing. And Jovi, thank you so very much for letting me take part in this. I really, really do appreciate it very, very much. So we're just going to put this back together so that she is ready to go. But yeah, there we go, guys. Again, please go and check everyone out. This is the first time Jovi has hosted one of these types of events, and I think she has done an amazing job because, again, she enlisted some, you know, absolutely amazing artists. And let me show you the back, and this is the back. Amazing artist in this collaboration here, and we will go ahead and just tie this back. And again, I will have a link to Jovi's YouTube channel, her Etsy shop, where you can find this kit, and it's called Celtic Fantasy, and also links to all of the other collaborators in my description box below. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.